y. Function y is equal to, this is the function. Okay, this is x and this is y. This is the correct approach. See, function is a log x with base a, y is equal to log x with base a. This is the function. We are doing the graph of this function. Here is x must be greater than 0, x must be greater than 0, and the base is in between 0 to 1 and greater than 1. Now what I will tell you, base 10 is there. Now we will start from here. Now if I keep here x log x plus 1, if I keep x plus 1, what I will get? Now see here, 1, I will take the numbers like 1, 10 should be there, 10, 100, so I do one thing, 10, 100, 1000, likewise. So see here, if I keep log in the place of x is 1, if I keep in the place of x is 1, what I will get output? 0. So if I keep here, I get here 0. This is the point. Okay. Now in the place of x, I keep 10. If I keep 10, what I will get? 1. So you think somewhere here it is 1. So if I keep 10, I will get 1. If I keep 100, what I will get? 2. You know na? Log 1 with base 10 is how much? 0. Log 10 with base 10 is how much? 1. Log 100 with base 10 is how much? 2. 100 can be written as 10 square. और 2 बाहर आ जाएगा और log 10 with base 10 1 होगा. So 100 will become was here, what will become here? 2. So 100 will become 2. Right, likewise just think. 1000 will become what? 3. Means it is going like this, right? Next 3 means it goes little more up. And actually, the scale is not proper. Like scale is not proper, but it goes up like this. Okay, okay, fine. Then if I go for 10,000, then I'll get 4. Likewise, I'll get. Now my question is, if I make here I make 1 by 10. 1 by 10, what I get? Negative I'll get. If I keep here 1 by 10, what I get? Minus 1. Minus 1. If I keep 1 by 10, 1 by 10 means here, somewhere here. So that time I'll get what here? Minus 1. I'll get minus 1. Now tell me one more thing. I'm just going to ask you. If I keep here 0, what I get? If I keep x plus 0, what I get? Infinite. Log 0 is infinite. So you at 0 slightly plus. 0 place you get here infinite. And other things you take 1 by 100, 1 by 1000, you get all are in minus 2, minus, like you get minus. But these points are very little points, small points here on the x-axis. So what I get here, it will be starting from here, it goes like up, and it goes here, and then it moves like this. Actually, exactly if I draw, so it goes like this. I am just making you to understand, because my scale is not proper. Scale is not proper, but I am making you understand how this will go. See here, 1, you need to see from 1. Log 1 is 0. So 1 ke liye 0 x equal to 1. Like I can decrease these values here 0 to 1. When I decrease 0 to 1, all I get negative results. When I increase 1 to above, I will get positive results. So if I draw the graph of this log, I get, if I am taking case 1 I took greater than 1. If I am taking the case 1 condition, if I am taking case 1, I took the case 1, case 2, 2 cases are there. If I draw exactly graph, what happens here? The graph will comes at 1, you mention it, at 1 it will touch. So it will, what happen from infinity, it start, it's grow like this, slowly, and slowly it goes. Right, this is the graph of log. Okay, this is the graph of log. Logarithm function graph is this. Okay, this is the graph of log x. When a greater than 0, This is when a greater than 0. Now tell me, what is the domain of the function? Domain, what I am using here? 0 to infinity, not equal to 0. Here log x is there, na? Here is the domain. Y is equal to log x with base a. X is the domain, y is the output. So I used y is equal to log x with base a. Previously I used as what exponential form I used. I was thinking into exponential form, so I used nx, but it's not required. Y is equal to log x with base a. So here it start from here it goes. So domain of this function is what? If logarithm, two types will be there. Log x with base a, if a greater than 1. If a greater than 1, domain of the function will be 0 to infinity, but not 0, right? 0 to infinity open. And what is the range of the function? Now tell me, what is the range here? R, minus infinity to plus infinity. It goes like this. It goes. So here this will be R, minus infinity to plus infinity. Now case number 2 also will do here only. The case number 2 is what here? Log, I have to take 0 to 1 between. So what I do here, y is equal to, I take here log x with base. Can I take base 1 by 2? 1 by 2? 1 by 2 I can take. Even 1 by 10 also I can take. It means 1 by 2 is nothing but 2 power minus 1. 1 by 2 is nothing but what? 2 power minus 1, na? Right. Even I can take 1 by 10 also. Okay, 1 by 10 also I can take. Now keep the x. Now if x is suppose here, if I take x is, I'll take 0 to 1 between. Okay, I try to make you understand here. Log you have here half, suppose, and you are taking here also half. Then what I'll get the answer? Half. If I am taking half, if I take here half, what I'll get here? 1 I'll get, right? This is 2 power minus 1, this is 2 power minus 1, you know na? Log a power m b power n is m by n log a with base b. So ये minus 1 आगे plus 1 हो जाएगा answer, right? Can I take 1 by 10? It may be for you easy. 1 by 10, if I take 10 power minus 1, it may be easy for you, right? So here if I take 1 by 10, maybe it is easy for you. So I think this is better approach. 1 by 10 I'll get how much? So if I take 1 by 10 I'll get how much? 1. So if I take 1 by 10 I'll get 1. Okay, if I take more than, see, this is the thing which I am taking you, I am telling you about what? 0 to 1, 0 to 1 in between. So 0 to 1 in between, let us take next number, anything you get positive. I want to tell you that you get the positive result here. Suppose you got 1, na? This is 1 you got, right? Okay, 1 by 10 you took. 1 by 100. 1 by 100 how much? 1 by 100 is how much? 2. Are 1 by 100 how much aayega? 2. 1 by 1000, 3. Like you get 1 by 10,000, 4. 1 by 10 you got 1, right? 1 by 10 you get 1. Acha, one more 0. If I take 0, what I get? 0. If I take 0, what I get? Infinity, na? If I take 0, what I get? Infinity. If I take 0, I get infinity here. And if I increases these values, it goes like this, it comes like this. If I cross 1 by 10 over, if at one point, suppose I take log, this is 1 by 10. Now I will take greater than 1, any number, like 1 by 10, these 1 by 2, these all are, these are fractions. So 0 to 1 between they are. 0 to 1 between, they all get the positive result. Now if I take any number log, if I take log, if I take 100, what I will get answer? If I take 100, what I will get? Log 10 I will take. Log 10, 1 by 10. How much it is? log 10 के लिए मेरे को इधर किधर आएगा? -1 आएगा, नीचे आएगा. Log 10, for 10 I will get -1. For 100 I will get -2. For 1000 I will get -3. It means what happens here, this is comes down, from down onwards it goes up. When I will get 0? When I get 0? 0 कब आएगा ये? X is? X is 1. If I take X is 1. X is equal to 1. If I take X is equal to 1, I will get 0. So I got X is equal to 1, 0 na. And if you see the graph, how you are getting here, if a greater than 0, a greater than 1, if a greater than 1, graph coming from down going up. If a is in between of 0 to 1, if a is in between of 0 to 1, then the graph is coming upward to down. Is it clear? Not clear? अब क्या बोल रहे हैं? ये 10 था, ये 1 है, ये 10 है, next 100, then 1000, likewise your approach. You can see here you are approaching this side, you can see that it is approaching upwards and it is approaching downwards. Have you seen this? Right. If a greater than 0, it's increasing, and when a is 0 to 1 between, it is decreasing. So it is a decreasing because you start from 0. Domain is 0 na, you should start from 0 plus, not exactly 0, 0 slight plus. That place is, it is infinity. So it starts from here and comes from here down, going down, and here it is going here. Now can you tell me what is the domain of the function? 0 to infinity. What is the range of the function? R. That's it. This is about logarithm. Understood? Okay. It's not covering complete. So you must, in this whole picture graph, what you have to remember, I'll tell you. In this whole picture you have to remember this thing, mainly this one. Y is equal to log x with base a, x must be greater than 0, a greater than 0, a is not equal to 1. This is main criteria for log to exist. Second point, here also same. For drawing the graph, we used different criteria. A equal to 10 you took, a is equal to 1 by 10 you took, you have drawn the graph. Next, what you have to remember? Domain and range. Domain where it is 0 to infinity, right? Domain. Can I give negative answer? No, na. X is always positive. So here is domain 0 to infinity. Range is output which you are getting. So 1 to infinity. R is this. You need to remember mainly this one, and you can remember this graph whenever required. It means graph कब required होता है? Any area under curve where you are doing applications related things, rarely we use.